Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Welcome to today's lesson, Zero to Fluency in English, your complete motivational guide to mastering English from any level. Whether you are a beginner, you feel stuck, or you have been learning for years, today's lesson will transform the way you learn. Stay until the end because I will share a 7-day fluency challenge that will change your English forever. Let's begin. Let's grow. Let's become fluent. 1. The mindset of a fluent English speaker. Fluency is not talent, it's consistency. Many English learners think fluency is a gift. It's not. It's a skill built from small actions every day. Mistakes are your teachers. You don't learn to speak by being perfect. You learn by trying, failing, trying again, and improving each time. You must think in English. From today, your new rule. 5 minutes every day thinking only in English. Describe your actions. Describe your day. Describe your feelings. 2. Vocabulary. Learn smart, not hard. The secret. Learn high value words. Instead of memorizing 5,000 words, learn the 500 words that appear everywhere. Examples of high value words. Actually, situation, improve, challenge, opportunity, confident, realize, decide. 3. Grammar. Keep it simple. Fluent speakers don't think about grammar rules. They think about meaning. Focus on these 5 essential grammar areas. 1. Present simple. I work. I go. I like. 2. Past simple. I went. I saw. I learned. 3. Future. I will go. 4. Present continuous. I am learning. I am watching. 5. Modal verbs. Can, should, must. If you master this, you can talk about anything. Mini practice. Repeat after me. I'm improving my English every day. I can express my ideas clearly. I will speak confidently. 4. Speaking, the real road to fluency. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a partner. You just need your voice. Shadowing method. Pick a 30 to 60-second clip from a movie, YouTube video, or podcast. Listen, repeat, copy the pronunciation, rhythm, emotion. This method alone can make you sound more fluent. Record yourself. Yes, it feels weird, but it works. Record 1 to 2 minutes every day. In 30 days, your pronunciation transforms. 5. Listening. The foundation of fluency. Listening trains your brain to understand English automatically. Daily listening plan. 10 minutes slow English. 10 minutes natural English. 10 minutes fast English. This builds comprehension, confidence, and speed. 6. Reading. How to think like a native. Read what you enjoy. Short stories, articles, novel summaries, social media posts, simple books. Reading builds vocabulary and grammar naturally without effort. Technique. I understand 80% rule. If you understand more than 80%, perfect. If you understand less than 50%, switch to an easier book. 7. Writing. The power of 5 sentences. Writing improves grammar, vocabulary, and thinking skills. Daily writing plan. 5 minutes. Write 5 sentences every day. 1. Something you did. 2. Something you learned. 3. Something you felt. 4. Something you want. 5. A question. 8. Bonus. How to sound more natural. 10 natural expressions to use daily. To be honest, actually, it turns out. You know what I mean? Let me think. I guess that's interesting. At the end of the day, here's the thing I appreciate it. Use this, you instantly sound more fluent. Every day, 10 minutes speaking, 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes reading, 10 minutes vocabulary, 5 sentences writing. Total 45 minutes, your fluency will change forever. 7-day fluency challenge. Day 1. Introduce yourself. Day 2. Describe your day. Day 3. Use 10 new words. Day 4. Shadow. Day 5. Read a short article. Day 6. Listen to a podcast. Day 7. Tell your 7-day progress story. If you made it this far, you are serious about fluency. And trust me, you are closer than you think. Like this video, subscribe and comment. I will become fluent. Your journey begins now.